Jane, what if it was a Catholic school? What if the parents dropped their kids off at a Catholic boarding school and then found out later that the priest was molesting the child? Are they prosecutable? Is that their fault?
Well, if the priest basically told them, hey, I'm going to molest your kids, yes.
Well, yeah,
I mean, if the kids came out and said, hey, Mom and Dad, I'm being molested by whoever, and they do absolutely nothing, and they say, get back in there?
If that's what the evidence is. But I think there's a fine line to say if you trust some religion or some society to take care of your child and they fail, maybe you are a victim, like Sierra said. Maybe the parents were unwittingly duped.
Oh,
they did no investigation. They just dropped these kids off.
Come on!
The parents
You heard Lindsay
brainwash themselves.
That's why the mom says she doesn't care.
Totally brainwash themselves.
You heard Lindsay just say she told her mom that she was raped. She told her dad. They didn't want to hear about it. Don't talk to me about that. I'll tell you.
These parents are as big a scumbag as he is, all right? No parent who gives a damn about their kid is going to let them to go to rape sleepaway camp after the child complains that they've been raped. It's nonsense. I don't even know why we're debating this. This is not a discussion. These parents should go down and they should go to prison longer than he does because they have a duty to the child because they're the mom and the dad. And it's outrageous. I'm sitting here listening to this and it blows my mind.
Who knew?
Right, right.
Lindsay, I want to ask you a question. What was it about this guy? Because some of these sickos are very charismatic. In other words, I know he did a lot of thouist and all those kind of biblical words, you know, whatever. But aside from the biblical language, what was it about him that made him so charismatic, perhaps, to, I mean, he looks like, you know, kind of like an actor right here, acting in some kind of medieval play. But did he have a certain charisma? Lindsay?
With the women, he definitely did. Even the married women, they were constantly flocking towards him. We had flocks of sheep in Minnesota, and we would take them on grazes, and he would go with the women and lie down in the pastures with them. He was a very, I guess, sweet talker, I guess. He carried a lot of authority with him.
And I understand that he was having sex with the married women, too, not just the kids, right? According to allegations.
Yes.
Is it possible your mother is hiding him, you think?
It would not surprise me at all if she was.
Well, I just want to say, if you're watching, Mom, you're invited on our show anytime. And, you know, bring a friend with you. We'd love to talk to you. What a bizarre story. On the other side.